Welcome to the COVID Evolution Application Maintenance Requirements video series. I'm Leslie Black, the author and creator of the application. The application sits on the Office 365 platform and uses many of the tools on that platform. I will take you through each component of the application and how to maintain it. This video series will cover the following areas: the COVID Evolution Excel workbook, which is the central workbook repository of the data; the outputs, which include the PDF report, the Power BI report, and the Azure archiving process; managing the data contributors and their teams, and the data pipelines, including the Office scripts. Here we can see the system architecture diagram, and Flow, as shown in the icon on the left, manages the entire application. Flow is a codeless click and drag application development tool that captures events that occur on the files and within the tools of the Office 365 suite. And now we can see here that there is logic apps being used. We've got files sitting on SharePoint in the document library. We have some data coming from a website. We're using lists to store data, some other Excel files to store data. And there's a central Excel workbook that is the repository for all of the data that comes in and is used by the application. Teams is used as a front end for inputting data. The data contributors have their own team, and they input the data using a list or an Excel workbook that is embedded within that team. For lists and Excel data, Office scripts automates some of the transformation and graph creation processes, and transfers the data from the lists in Excel to the central Excel workbook. The outputs we have shown here below are Power BI, a report, a PDF file, and Azure. And Azure is used as a storage repository for the main central Excel workbook and the PDF report only.